So here, I just wanted to share this with you. I put together this Excel sheet that just calculates the time that we have left this year. So what we have is the months here, and then the number of teaching weeks. I got the number of teaching weeks from the 2019-2020 CNG calendar. And so you can see that, it's different each month because of vacations or whatever. Here's the number of times VIP lessons occur per week, 2. So what we do is we just multiply these two and we get the number of VIP impacts per month. Then we do the percentage of the time activities or VIP will be canceled because of something that's going on. And so right now we're actually running, at least my 10th grade is running higher than 1/5 of the time. It's more like 1/4. But I think that will slow down. So what I did was we take the number here, the number of impacts per month, and we have to multiply it times 0.8 because 20% of the time we're going to lose, and we end up with the approximate number of actual impacts per month here. So we're just being realistic. So from that, we have how many times we're actually going to meet per month. Then we have teachable minutes per impact day. I put it at 28 because, you got to come into the room and, you got to take attendance. And so we don't actually get 35 minutes of teachable time. 28 may even be a little high, but that's okay. So that means the impacts minutes per month is just 28 minutes times the number of times we're going to meet per month. And here's our minutes. And then lastly, we have our hours per month. So we just take the minutes and we just divide it by 60. And here's how many hours will actually have impact per month. And if we start from today, it's actually 19.7. And then what I did was I said, let's call it 20, just to demonstrate down here, just something that we may want to talk about if we want to manage this to make sure that we don't mismanage it and either have too much time or run out of time. But right now we're really running out of time. So there's 4 things kind of that we want to do. We want to learn the curriculum. We want to develop projects. We want to have project accomplishment, like actually doing it. And then we want to have reflections of projects. So these are hours. So, how many hours are we going to devote to each section of this? And when we look at it, if we can play with this and have this discussion, but there's a lot of things we want to do in project development and project accomplishment. I think if we look at this and dedicate how many hours you want to each, and then build the activities in there that are actually accomplishable inside of that time, then we can have a successful project. If not, and we don't manage the time, then we could end up really way, way off, and it could be kind of a disaster. So I'll send this sheet so if you want to change anything. But right now, according to this, we have 19.7 hours in total for the rest of the year with our VIP classes to do all the learning and to make projects.